You're watching the Weiss Channel. Thank you very much. All right. Sorry, I need this space here. Today we're going to simplify radicals, and this is much easier than you may think. All right. First of all, here's 1 through 20. All right. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 36 is 6.
49 is
7.
84 is 8.
8.
81 is
9.
100 is
10.
121 is 11.
12,
169 is
13,
196 is 14.
14,
225 is 15. All right. 256 is 16. 289 is 17. 324 is 18. 361 is 19. 400 is 12. I mean, 20.
Oh.
20.
All right. Could we turn down the video, please? All right. So here's what we're going to do. There are 2 ways to do this, and I'm going to show you what I consider to be the much easier, less complicated way. You know what? I'm going to show you both ways, but first, the easier way. All right. If I'm asking you to simplify a radical, simplify a square root, that means one of these perfect squares. These are all called perfect squares, by the way. Perfect squares because there's a number that perfectly goes into it. All right. The square root of 10, for example, is not a perfect square. Why? There isn't a number times itself that makes 10, a whole number. Right? Nod your head if you understand what I'm saying. Okay. All right. So, the square root of 27. Which of these perfect squares goes into 27? Which blue perfect square goes into 27?
What do you mean going to
Go evenly. What blue?
It's 9.
9 goes into 27.
Yes.
Not right?
Okay.
Thanks. Thank you. All right. So this is square root of 9, square root of 3. You understand what I'm saying? It's because square root of 9 evenly goes into square root of 27. What is the square root of 9? 3. Boom. 3 square root of 3 is your answer. Done. That's how you do it. Okay? So here is the more complicated way to do it. All right? I take the square root of 27 and I break it down into its simplest factors. 27 is, say, 3 times 9, and 9 is 3 times 3, right? So,
And you have left with
what?
Oh.
That's okay. All right. So, square root of 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, right? So what you do is you circle a pair. Okay? And you pull that out, and you make that just 3. And what's left? Square root of 3. You can do it like that if you want.
Or instead of like making, can't you just do it from right there? Can't you just circle the 2 3s right there and then do it?
Yes. That's true. That's even better. Yes. Okay? All right? Square root of 48. What perfect square evenly goes into 48? 2 is not one of the blue numbers. I heard 16. Okay? 16 goes into 48. Square root of 16, square root of 3. 16 times 3 is 48. What's the square root of 16? 4. 4 square root of 3. I would like to show you this, by the way. No one said it, but I thought somebody would. What if you said 4? 4 does evenly go into 48, right? Oh, you did say it? Good job, Shad. That's true. All right. Square root of 4 times square root of 12. 4 times 12 is 48, okay? What is the square root of 4? 2. 2 square root of 12. But here's the thing. Now, is there a perfect square that goes into 12?
No.
Yes.
No.
Which one?
It's 4.
4. 4 goes into 12. So 2 square root of 4 times square root of 3, right? The square root of 4 is 2, right? So this is 2 times 2 square root of 3. And 2 times 2 is 4 square root of 3. My point is, it's okay if you pick a lower number that evenly goes into 48. But it'll take you longer to get to the answer. That's okay. All right? If you pick the highest possible perfect square that goes into 48, you'll get your answer in one step. Okay? If you don't, it'll just take you 2 steps, maybe 3, depending on what you use. Okay? Now we're at the point where maybe you'll start guessing. All right? In fact, I'm going to need you to take out a calculator or open your phone to the calculator portion. Okay? And now maybe you're not sure, but guess a number, a blue number that goes
49.
into 49 is correct. Okay? 49 times what? If you do 98 divided by 49, you get 2, right? So this is 49, square root of 49 times square root of 2. Always write the perfect square first. It's going to make your life easier. Square root of 49 is 7. Your answer is 7 square root of 2. Done. Okay? Perhaps it's easy to figure out what perfect square evenly goes into 125. What?
Huh?
Did someone, what? 25, right? Would you agree that 125 is 25 times 5, yes? Okay. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 5. 5 square root of 5, by the way, is the same as square root of 125. If you do either one on your calculator, you'll get the same exact answer. Okay? This is just called simplified. Okay? All right, here. Now is the point where you start guessing. All right? 973. Pick a number, a blue number, that you think might go into 973. Seriously, just guess.
36.
36, okay? So on your calculator, would you do 973 divided by 36? And do you get a whole number? No. So pick another one.
Should it be a big number or small?
Big, I would go big. Go big or go home.
You got that right.
Right?
196.
What? 196, okay. 14, right? So let's try 196. 973 divided by 196. Oh, did not work. Okay? Try another one. Go higher. Go big. 17 or 289, right? What's 973 divided by 289? Oh, didn't work. Go higher. 324. What? 973 divided by 324.
At this point, it's getting not it.
Hey, it's getting monotonous. Is that what you said?
Not too bad.
All right. So how about 361? No. 973 divided by 361. No. How about 289?
Set us up.
I did 973 divided by 289. Oh, that didn't work
I did
either.
every number here.
You did all of them?
I'm pretty sure I did.
144.
I went from because I did all the big numbers.
One.
Is it right?
Right.
144. No.
Wait, I did this.
973.
Wait a minute.
All these
Wait a second.
Uh-oh. You messed this up. Error. Error.
It's like the second mistake you made.
Commercial break.
324?
We'll be back in 5.
What's 3?
That's sick.
Oh, shoot. First mistake ever made.
You said that
Supposed to
every
be
time.
Right.
972. What are you talking about? I've never made a mistake before. 972. Darn it.
Alright. Divided by 324.
Right.
It's 3.
Good.
See, I said 324.
Sorry. Al Beasy, you were right. All right. So 972 is 324 times 3. What's the square root of 324? 18. Square root of 3. Okay? How about 578?
294.
294 isn't a perfect square.
You mean 2.
Oh, what?
I can't see it. You really can't see the word.
It's 289.
289.
But I'm pretty sure you go lower than that.
Okay?
Like 225.
289
That works.
times 2. What's the square root of 289? 17. 722.
361.
361 times 2, right?
Yep.
722 is square root of 361 times square root of 2. Square root of 361 is 19. Your answer is 19 square root of 2. Easy.
Peasy.
Lemon squeezy. You've been watching the Weiss channel. Da, 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 da.